Hello, my name is Michael Andres Torres, and in this opportunity, I'm going to talk about step 5, final exam proposal of evaluation. So, let's start. First, I'm going to do an introduction. Yes. In education is considered as by many human beings in terms of human resource development. The evaluation means that develop the skills, the motivation, the knowledge, and the like. Also, the evaluation has on education program evaluates achievements and improve the effectiveness. Yes, between this learning progress for time, it also provides valuable information of the design and implementation of the program, and therefore evaluation plays an important role in any education program. Yes. Mm, First, I want to tell you what is the evaluation looking for. Not always the evaluation is looking for the same. Yes, in some cases the evaluation look for another things different. Yes, it depends on what the teacher who is making the evaluation. Yes, but mm, the evaluation seeks to cooperate the improvement and progress of the quality of education. All this the elaboration of these tests in which also the basic competence of the students are evaluated, and the elements that affect their achievement will be examined. Yes. These results to know the strengths and weakness is possible to determine the improvement objected in the respective behavioral environments. Mm, what the development one or looking is to establish the impact of of a specific improvement uh, programs on actions. Yes. uh, the proposal evaluations. My proposal evaluation is of course first is going to be in a course of children with special education needed from a high school course in a public school. Yes, that is located in Santander. Here, many of the students not feeling appropriation the teaching progress. Yes, because he in the classroom he is distracted by making use of technological resources in an appropriate way. Another aspect that to take into account is the project is the academic performance achieved by the children with special education needs. At the level of internal text, we are related to the evaluation between the classroom, where, where we can see that these children have a low academic performance in the language, are mainly in communicative competence. Mm, Also, we can evidence or research where it will say that the children's no reach a satisfactory level and the achievement was very low. In the institution, the children express that the education practice carried out by teachers are traditional and routine, while in urgent to make a change in the teaching profession. I'm going to do with a methods and approach to achievements. Yes, this method is going to basic in three parts. First, on a pedagogical foundations, that is constructive aims. The other is in the use of ICTs, and the other in the development of the reading animation. For this point, Soler says that a point of the reading dimension makes it easier of the student to understand, integrate, and participate in the socio-cultural context. The more the student manages to understand the communicated dimension, the greater his achievement in terms of the socio-cultural dimension. Mm, For this, oh, for this study, a methodology was proposed in the Mises qualitative to indicate by where qualitative foundations are used within a minimum of quantitative foundation. Quantitative why? Because that would interpret the student's perfection on the view of EICTs through stream reading. Also the quantity comprehension because it is determined how much the competence involved, what is expected before a proposal. After a proposal, the sample carried out for this project was carried out through an intentional probabilistic. Mm, the possibilities that the ICTs give are endless. Among its positive impact are improving educational progress and facilitating recreational activities for the students. All these support the learning process. Yes, so incorporating the technological tools in education brings benefits that also promotes the knowledge and integration. Yes, and all his have a effects on in the classroom between the teachers and their students or the children. Recently, I think that the educational learning must adapt in the technology in an environment in which our children grow up. Yes, and to they don't so in a responsible and about or scientific way that all of this is applied to solving problems all the real life. Yes. In, in conclusion, to make the best of the improve their environments based on first based on the ICTs in the theory that the proposal was made and consist of learning to read through in a inclusion process. Yes, this inclusion process have to base it on three competencies. Yes, I do it like I learned to read. After learning to read, and arrive at an act, and that act makes me on his. Yes, all these competencies are I learn, I make, and I show. And finally, it was determined that the use of ICTs is an effective tool to improve the communication dimension because it allows students to communicate with each other and allow the development of personality, social life, and sociocultural development according to the context where it's evidence in this work. So that's all. So thanks. Bye.